In this video, we will show you how to install and properly use a FastDraw PRO dispenser. Make sure you have all the necessary equipment. FastDraw PRO dispenser with attached water hose, cardboard mounting template, keys, technical manual, operational wall chart, 4 wall anchors, 4 screws, and drip tray with drip tray outlet tubing. Now make sure you have all the necessary tools for installation: a pencil, a hammer, a drill with 9/32 inch drill bit, a 1/8 inch drill bit, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure the dispenser is installed above incoming water supply, leaving enough room to open the door. Use the supplied cardboard mounting template to mark drill holes where the dispenser is to be installed. If mounting on a flat wall, use the flat wall template. Mark the drill holes with a pencil. Drill holes using a 9/32 inch drill bit and insert the anchors into the holes. Then, hammer the wall anchors into the holes until they are flush with the wall. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, thread the screws into the top 2 wall anchors about halfway. Mount the dispenser on the top 2 screws. Thread the screws completely into the wall anchors. Thread the remaining 2 screws into the bottom wall anchors. Thread the end of the hose into your water source. Active water pressure should be 25 to 65 psi. If above 65 psi, use a 40 psi pressure regulator. These can be ordered from Betco using item number 9839400. The FastDraw PRO drip tray will prevent any chemical buildup from an accidental spill or misuse of dispenser. Only use the drip tray if you are mounting above a sink or other water collection area. To use, remove the supplied drip tray first. Next, drill a hole in the tube mounting post using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Place back into the dispenser. Slide tubing onto the mounting tube. Place the tube above a sink drain or other water collection area. Choose the 4 products you intend to use in the dispenser. Thread the FastDraw PRO cap loosely onto the bottle. Do not over-tighten. Repeat for the 3 remaining products. Activate both the bottle and bucket options for all 4 products. If product is not drawing gently, tighten the cap until the chemical begins to fill up the tube. There may be some bubbles in the supply tubes. This is normal. Press the button 1 through 4 of the product you want to dispense. If filling bottles, using one hand, slide the bottle over the hose while depressing the large gray button. Make sure to slide the bottle fully onto the tube to minimize foam in the bottle. Press the button 1 through 4 for the product you want to dispense. Place the bucket fill hose into a mop bucket or an automatic scrubber. Depress the red button near the top of the dispenser. Turn the button to the right for hands-free filling. Turn the button to the left to stop dispensing the product. You can get just water from the dispenser by pressing the water icon on the selector dial and using the same procedure to fill mop buckets or spray bottles. Remember to shut off the water when the dispenser is not in use. Mount operation wall chart and any product selector charts on the wall next to the dispenser. Product selector charts are created through Betco's iBet charter program. You can access the program at betco.com. For more information on the FastDraw PRO and other FastDraw PRO products, call 888-GO-BETCO, contact your local regional manager, or visit betco.com.